Hello, this is Dr. Gautam Banga, reconstructive urologist and andrologist working in Delhi NCR for last 12 years. During my last 10 years of andrology practice, since we cater a lot of patients with erectile dysfunction, we always look out for new options, new treatment modalities which we can offer to our patients. Initially, when I started my practice, the only two options were medical management in the form of tablets, or it was like penile implant, which is extreme measure for these kind of issues. And there was a big void between the two. We always wanted to have something which we can offer in between these two treatment modalities. With the latest research, there is a new modality which has come up in the market by the name of shock wave therapy. So shock wave therapy were initially used for kidney stone and other problems like plantar fasciitis. But in 2016, it was introduced for erectile dysfunction also. So there are few countries which have approved shockwave therapy as a modality for mild to moderate kind of erectile dysfunction. At our clinic, we have also started using shockwave with a proper consent and with a very limited indication, and we are started getting good results with that in that particular group of patients. So what is shockwave therapy, and in whom we can actually offer this modality for the treatment? So shockwave with the help of a machine, shockwaves are given from external shockwave are given onto penis and perineum, and the principle behind this therapy is that it lead to increase in the blood flow into the penis. So the mechanism is known as neoangiogenesis, in which with the help of shockwave new vessels or new blood supply has been created, and it leads to better blood supply into the penis and a rigid and a better erection. So in which group of patient we can use this treatment modality? So the patient who have mild to moderate kind of erectile dysfunction, that means they can achieve hardness but not to the extent which they want. Second group of patients who are mild diabetic with erectile dysfunction, patient who were initially responding to medical management but now the response is partial or is gradually declining. So in this group of patient, we do shockwave therapy on a OPD basis. We do 6 to 8 session of shockwave on OPD basis, and each session lasts for 15 to 20 minutes. We always encourage patient to do sexual activity in between to see whether they are getting any benefit. But we normally feel that the results always come on a long-term basis. That is, after 3 to 4 months, they can really appreciate the actual benefit of shockwave therapy. So by this talk, I really want to emphasize that shockwave therapy is a safe modality for mild to moderate kind of erectile dysfunction, but in a selective group of patients. And I have seen patients who were on medication are off medication after shockwave therapy, or those people who are not getting good response with medication are now getting good and reliable erection with the help of medication. But I also want to emphasize that it's a new therapy. The studies are still going on, but since the side effects profile is very less and it's a safe and non-invasive method, people can opt for it, and the results are there. The results are already been shown by few studies. Other long-term studies will naturally clarify the things in a better way, but shockwave therapy is going to stay, and we at our clinic are offering this therapy. If you have any question, any query related to shockwave therapy and whether it is useful in you, you can contact us, or you can contact the andrologist nearby, and they will guide you in this regard. So wish you a happy and healthy sexual life. Thank you.